Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into Row Zero, a cloud-based big data spreadsheet software that positions itself as the modern upgrade to traditional tools like Excel or Google Sheets. We tested it extensively to see if it actually stands up to its promises. What makes Row Zero unique is its ability to handle massive data sets with speed and responsiveness that traditional spreadsheets can't. Instead of freezing up with millions of rows, Row Zero stays smooth and fluid. Collaboration features are built in so teams can work together in real time. For businesses dealing with analytics, research, or financial modeling, that kind of performance can make a big difference. Pros: it's extremely fast with large data, integrates with modern data pipelines, and the interface feels familiar, making the transition easier. The collaboration features also rival Google Sheets. Cons: it's still relatively new, so some advanced features are missing compared to Excel. Pricing may also be steep for casual users who don't need to crunch big datasets daily. Overall, Row Zero isn't for everyone, but if you're working with massive data and need speed, this is a serious contender. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.